Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. Today I'm going to show you this blue smoky eye look with brown lips. So without any further ado, let's get started. So I'll be starting with primer first, as it will be giving the long lasting finish to my makeup. Then I'll start doing my eye makeup first, for which I am using concealer to even out my complexion around eye area. This would act like an eye base for my eye makeup, as it would allow eyeshadow colors to look more prominent. Then with the help of the Damn Beauty blender, I'll be blending the concealer around my eye area. After this, I'll be setting my concealer with the compact powder so that it doesn't crease out. For my crease, I'm taking this warm brown shade from my Savannah palette, and I'll be depositing this color on my crease area with the help of this brush in a very light pressure. Depositing color on your crease area adds depth into your eyes, which makes them look much more brighter. Now I'll be taking this blue color from this Beauty Glazed palette, and I'll be applying it onto my lids in a very generous quantity so that the color looks brighter. I've also used this metallic greenish blue color for my lid area to give a metallic blue color to my eyes. With the help of the brush, I'll be blending the color on my crease area. Now I will start doing my base makeup, for which I am wiping off my face so that I can get rid of any fallout. For base makeup, I'm using my all-time favorite foundation. I'll be dotting it all over my face and neck area, and then I'll be blending it with the help of Damn Beauty blender. Now I'll be applying highlighting concealer to highlight my under eye area, and rest other parts which I want to highlight. For setting my face, I am using this setting powder as it would prevent my makeup from creasing. Now it's time to do my brows, for which I'm using this brow pomade, and I'll be applying it with the help of this angle brush. Now I'm applying the same blue shade which I have applied on my lid area on my lower lash line to make my look cohesive. I am also applying this nude kajal onto my lower waterline. For highlighting my face, I am using this Milani strobelight highlighter, and I'll be applying it at my brow bone and inner corner of the eyes first, and then all over to my face. Now it's time to apply some blush, and I'll be applying it on my apple of my cheeks. For my lips, I'm using this Nykaa's Chai shade. It's a really very nice nude color which can go on all skin tones. I personally like his formula as it is very lightweight and doesn't make me feel cracky or dry anytime. For eyes, I'm using my Sephora's mascara as it feels really very comfortable to wear.
Do let me know how you found this look, and if you really liked it, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more such beauty and makeup related videos. I'll meet you in my next video. Till then, bye bye. Take care.